morning students. Let's continue our exercise 15.5. Today we are going to start from question number 5. Question number 5 is an organization selected 2400 families as random and surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in a family. The information gathered is listed in the table below. Okay, the table has below the family, then income in according to their income and vehicles having per family. Okay, the questions are: suppose a family is chosen, find the probability that the family chosen is earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicle. Owning exactly 2 vehicle of this type and earning, that means monthly income is between 10,000 to 13,000. So how many families in this? So 29 families. 29 families out of how many families? Total number of families are 2400. So the number one answer is the family earning rupees 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly 2 vehicle is equal to 29 upon 2400. Okay. Now next one is earning rupees 16,000 or above per month. 16,000 or more, that means above, per month and owning exactly 1 vehicle. Owning exactly 1 vehicle. How many families are there? 579. So probability is equal to 579 upon 2400. Out of 2400 families, the 579 families are earning 16,000 or more or above and having only 1 vehicle, exactly owning exactly 1 vehicle. Okay, now let's next question we will do. Earning less than rupees 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. Less than 7,000 and does not own any vehicle, that means how many families? 10 out of 2400. So answer is 10 upon 2400. Let's see the question number 4. Earning rupees 13,000 to 16,000, that means in this group, per month and owning more than 2 vehicle. More than 2 vehicle. So how many families in this type of? 25. So answer is 25 upon 2400. Now let's see the question number 5. Owning not more than 1 vehicle. Not more than 1 vehicle, that means 0 vehicle is also be included in this question and 1 vehicle, but not to be more than 1 vehicle. Okay, that means these all families, that means those families are having the no vehicle, that means 0 vehicle and owning exactly 1 vehicle, because the question is owning not more than 1 vehicle. That means all this are in this category, that means more than 1 vehicle. So we added 10 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 160 plus 305 plus 535 plus 469 plus 579. After that we will get the answer 2062 upon 2400. So how many families owning not more than 1 vehicle? So 2062. Or in the lowest form we write it 1031 upon 1200. Okay, so this was the question number 5. To the question number 6. Question number 6 is refer to table 14.7 chapter number 40. Then the question is find the probability that a student obtaining less than 20% in the mathematics test. And the next question is find the probability that a student obtained marks 60 or more than. So let's see the table 14.7. 14.7 is example number 7. Okay, the table 14.7. Okay, so example number 7 is a teacher wanted to analyze the performance of 2 sections of a student in a mathematics test of 100 marks. Test is 100 marks. Okay, so here looking at their performance, she found that a few students got under 20 marks and a few got 70 marks or above. So she decided to group them into the interval of varying size as follows: 0 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 70 and more. And our question is, find the probability that a student obtained less than 20% in the mathematics. 20%, actually the 20 marks is same as the 20 marks out of 100, that means same as the 20%. Okay, so question is less than 20%, that means the category is 0 to 20. So less than 20, how many students? 7. Out of the number of students are, how many students are here? So total number of students are 90. So probability of getting less than 20 marks is number of students are 7 out of 90, that means 7 upon 90. Okay. For the next question, find the probability that a student obtained marks 60 or above. 60 or above, marks 60 or above. 60 or above, that means 60 to 70 is also in this group and 70 and above, because 60 and above. So 15 plus 8, that means 23 out of 90. So what is the answer is here? Probability a student obtained marks 60 or more is equal to 23 upon 90, and less than 20%, that means 20 marks, that is to be 7 upon 90. Is it?